Hi, I'm NUREL. So I want to tell everyone our research objective. This research aims to examine student satisfaction with academic library services. The primary goals of this study are as follows: to determine the mean library services quality between male and female students. Usually, male and female have different opinions about something, and male are more easily satisfied about something. To determine the mean difference in student satisfaction across student races, namely Malay, Chinese, Indian, and others. Satisfaction for each race is also different, but it is not impossible for each races to have the same satisfaction. To determine the effect of library service quality on student satisfaction among universities in Malaysia. Each individual has a different opinion about a certain satisfaction, then it will also affect the effect of something.
For research hypotheses, they are based on 4 aspects, which are student satisfaction, tools, individual behavior, library staff, and library technology will be used. First, independent sample t-test. In independent sample t-test, we have null hypothesis H0 mu1 equal to mu2. Alternative hypothesis H1 mu1 not equal mu2, where 1 is male, 2 is female. Second, one-way ANOVA test. In one-way ANOVA test consists null hypothesis H0 mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4. H1 not all mu are equal, or at least one population mean is different, where 1 is Malay, 2 is Chinese, 3 is Indian, and 4 is others. And last but not least, we have standard multiple regression. In standard multiple regression, there are null hypothesis H0 equal to beta 1 equal to beta 2 equal to beta 3 equal to 0. There is 2 linear relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. Alternative hypothesis H1 at least on beta I not equal to 0, at least one independent variable significantly affect independent variable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AHMAD LUQMAN HAKIM bin ZAKI. My matric number is D2021109793. For independent t-test, step 1 is develop hypothesis. Null hypothesis H0 mean 1 equal to mean 2. Alternative hypothesis H1 mean 1 not equal to mean 2, where 1 equal to male and 2 equal to female. Step 2, Levin's test for equality variant. H0 variant 1 equal to variant 2. H1 variant 1 not equal to variant 2. P value 0.421 is greater than 0.05, therefore equal variance are assumed. Step 3 is t-test for equality of means. T equal to 0.611, P value is equal to 0.542, significant level is 0.05. P value 0.542 is greater than 0.05 and do not reject the H0. Conclusion, the mean perception of gender between male and female students are not significantly different. With ANOVA test, significant level is 0.05. Step 1, develop hypothesis. Null hypothesis H0 mean 1 equal to mean 2 equal to mean 3 equal to mean 4. Alternative hypothesis H1 not all mean are equal, at least one population mean is different, where 1 equal to Malay, 2 equal to Chinese, 3 equal to Indian, 4 equal to others. Step 2, hypothesis testing. P value 0.865 is greater than 0.05 and do not reject the H0. Conclusion, at the 0.05 significant level, there is no significant difference in terms of the perceived student satisfaction factor toward academic library services between race groups among university students.
In the model summary table, the R-square, which is 0.457, indicates that 45.7% of the student satisfaction is explained by the variation of individual behavior, library staff, and library technology. In the other hand, the ANOVA table show that the p-value is 0.000, which is lower than the alpha value, which is 0.05. Then, reject the null hypothesis. This indicates that it can be concluded that there is a significant positive correlation of relationship between effects on student satisfaction towards individual behavior, library staff, library service, and library technology. Next, the coefficient table show that the p-value at 0.000 is lower than the alpha value, which is 0.05. This indicates that the individual behavior, library staff, library services, and library technology significantly predict students' satisfaction towards library services. The standardized beta for individual behavior is 0.074, for library staff is 0.323, and library technology is 0.4 to 1, which implies a positive effect and significantly on student satisfaction towards individual behavior, library staff, library service, and library technology.
Hi, my name is Atira Liyana, BINTI Abu YAZID. So, for the conclusion, our research questioned the effect of library service quality on student satisfaction among universities and in Malaysia. Positive influences were linked. Service quality factors are nearly related to satisfaction. Organizational academic library service process affect the quality of individual behavior. Library staff and library technology add value to the associate and improve its capability to serve in a competitive terrain. All exploration hypotheses examined in this study were verified. Knowledge gained through this exploration has significant counter associate for technology service. The service handled by this associate are factors that affect student satisfaction through library service quality and include tangibility, trustability, responsibility, and academic library service itself. The library service should consider these factors in their strategic plan to fulfill their customer satisfaction.